Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm a senior graphic design student at Penn College. On behalf of AIGA, I'm going to be creating a Skillshare on the Shape Builder tool in Illustrator. So just real quick, I wanted to show an illustration I did my junior year. For this illustration, I used the Shape Builder tool a lot to create the different variations in my buildings. I wanted to use it as an example just to show you that you can create complex illustrations using these three basic functions. So just to start, you can find the Shape Builder tool on the side. It has an icon with two overlapping circles. And I'm going to create a few really simple illustrations. So if you want to do it real fast, there's a key command for the Shape Builder tool. It's Shift M. And right now I'm going to create four circles and a rectangle overlapping them because I'm going to create a really simple cloud illustration. So the three main functions of the Shape Builder tool are subtract, merge, and extract. So when you first go into the Shape Builder tool, you can see all the overlying paths and you can highlight the different objects or shapes that are being created by these paths. So with the subtract tool, you can actually subtract these specific shapes. And you can do this by holding Option or Alt and clicking, or you can hold Option and Alt and drag through all of the shapes that you want subtracted. So next you have the merge option. So there's these four circles up here, and I can use the Shape Builder tool by clicking and dragging through all of these objects to merge them into one. So here we have a really quick cloud illustration. And then the other feature is the extract. So if you have overlapping shapes, you can extract a shape from them. So you click, and then that shape becomes separate from the other previously selected shapes. So with the extract function as well, you can also create shapes from the negative space. So there isn't actually an object right here in this white kind of crest-like shape. But with the Shape Builder tool, you can create an object from that negative space. So real quick, over here I have a little part of my donut box illustration. I just wanted to show how you can use these three functions for a actual illustration that I have worked on. So here is my little floating diamonds from my city. So real quick, I am creating a shape over my main one, which I created using the extract by having four circles next to each other and creating a shape from the negative space. And then I use the anchor points to bring the corners round. So now I created a shape over top, and I didn't care that this line wasn't going to connect because I'm going to use the subtract tool to get rid of all of that, and it'll line up perfectly with my underlying shape. So then I can turn that into whatever color I want and just put this over here. And then to do the ring, you can put it over there and select your main shape. And you can use the merge function to merge all of the front pieces, and that will create a group with this piece and that back piece. So if you just select the back piece, you can delete it, and it will create a ring that is perfectly cut off by the shape, making it look like it goes behind the object. So that's just an example of how you can use the Shape Builder tool for a few different illustrations. I hope that this was a helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching.